Zachariah was not like some of you here. Some of you here, you cannot serve God because you told yourself, I don't have a job. But listen to me. Zachariah served God even when he had a need. But listen to me. You don't serve God like God is an investment scheme. To say, I will serve God because. We serve God even though. Understanding me? We don't serve God because, but we serve God even though. That is why the scripture says, even though the fig tree does not blossom, I will continually lift my praise unto Jehovah. This is the time that we as children of God, we must understand that we don't serve God because. We serve God even though I don't have money, even though I don't have a child, even though I don't have a car, I will serve God. Some people have stopped even going to church. You know why? They feel God has abandoned them. Because whatever they were asking from God, they are not getting it.